How to add music to Instagram. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to add music to Instagram. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So in order to do this, we just need to head over to our Instagram. And from in there, just click on your story right here. So let's click on that. Then click on camera right here. And from in there, you can just click on create. And from in there, if you already created, you can just type in something that you want. But since we want to add the music, you can just click on the stickers right here. You can also do this on the picture that you want to upload, but I will just choose to make on create right here. So let's click on this right here. And from in there, you can see the music icon. So if you can see that, then you can just type in music right here and it will appear right there. So just click on stickers, and from in there you can see the music that you want. So you can search for music that you want to add. So for example, I want to add something which this song right here. So I can just click on that. Then after that, I will just click on done. And as you can see, we have now added a music to our actual location. So you can also add in or type in a music with the lyrics, or you can add in something with this or this right here. So just click on your stories right here and it will be posted to your stories. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to add music to Instagram. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.